now we're going to visit the fire control station room, which is on board an LNG carrier. This is fire station number 1. Here you can control all the firefighting equipment in order to extinguish a fire on the vessel. So let's enter. So here are the CO2, which is the main cabinet, this one here. And below you will find the dedicated area for which you will need to extinguish. Locations which are the engine room and the cargo area, which will be the CMR and the EMR. Next to the CO2 is the dry powder system. This is the monitor, which is on the starboard side, and this is the monitor, which is on the port side. This fire extinguishing agent is used for gas fires. Dry powder is the one which we will use in case of a gas fire. It's the most appropriate. So this is the main control panel for the air dampers for the engine room, for the dampers in the engine room. You can open and close them from here. So in case of a fire we need to close them. It's very simple. You just come here and you switch over this one to close. Here you may find the number 1, 2 general service pump, the emergency fire pump and the water spray pump, plus the fire pump, which is the extinguishing agent, which is water, and you will extinguish fires or protect the accommodation. So the water spray pump is a pump which covers the cargo machinery area, the manifolds, the cargo area, plus the accommodation and the lifeboats of the vessel. So this is a repeater panel from the fire detection system. This will indicate where this fire is. This is the most important button on board. In case of discovering a fire, the thing that you'll need to do is to, your actions are to break the glass by smashing it. It's very easy, and then press the button inside in order to sound the alarm. So you will need to do that. All vessels are equipped with fireman's outfits plus the SCABAs. The SCABAs is the cylinder that will give you air supply when you go in a closed space to tackle a fire. So these are located inside here, plus in the fire station number 2, which is on the bridge or below the bridge on this vessel. So inside here you will find the equipment needed to tackle a fire. How interesting is that? So now it's time to have a look what we have inside these cabinets, the fireman's outfits. So I'm opening, I'm packing, and you can have a look by showing you. I will be demonstrating. Sorry for showing you my back, but I'll have to show you. So we've got the fireman's outfit, which is the upper part and the lower part, including the boots. We've got the face shield. This is to protect your face. You've got the fire wire, which is specified to assist you in case of an enclosed space entry. You will need to wear this. This is the helmet that the fireman wears and has internal speakers so that the fireman can keep communication with the leading officer who's outside of the space, and he can inform what's going on. This is the hatchet, which you will need in case you need to cut something or break something. And these here are the gloves which you wear. Very easy and simple. Nice protecting gloves. A flashlight for you. When you go in an enclosed space, you will need this. Very important, when the fireman enters inside, he needs to keep very low because the smoke goes up and it covers the space. So as slow as possible, the better for the fireman. And the SCABAs. The SCABAs are equipped with a face mask, which I will remove for you to see. This is the face mask. And it's got a manometer, which is here, and is showing the pressure, and it has a luminescent light inside, so you don't need any batteries or any sort. This will show what is the pressure inside the cylinder. So here you'll understand when what's your pressure, and when you need to go out of the space. I mean, when you've got an alarm, the alarm is a whistle which will go like that. This will start when the pressure is currently here at 60 bars. So yeah, there's the point where you think to yourself, yeah, I need to get out of the space. You go out, they've got spare cylinders, you'll dial it on this one, on the SCABA, and then you re-enter again in the space. So I'm putting this back. So let's test the communication on the portable speakers, portable walkie-talkies, which you will have to establish communication with your team leader during drills and during a difficult situation. So let me show you. What you do is, you bring out the helmet, you wear it for sure, and you plug in the jack-up wire. So this is done. So now it's time to communicate with this one.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? So, you can see now that I have established communication with the fireman, and he can listen to my orders outside his place. I can call him out and say evacuate. I can call him out, ask him what's the condition, and also many other things which are required during difficult times. So, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Until next time, see you. Thumbs up. Take care.